Street Stock, your feature winner tonight. Jeff, as always, this thing was stout out front, man. This class was a late addition to the card. We appreciate you coming out. Hopefully we can get this thing in and get the word out a little bit earlier and get some more cars. Who do you want to thank?
Well, first of all, Rex and Colette for having us, trying to build this deal back up. That'd be great if we can get these cars back out here, and hopefully we get some other guys to come out. But just everybody that helps us out, Reliability Playbook, Integrity Transmissions, Hammond Screens, Armor Brothers Concrete Guy, Circle Performance, my buddy Rob, James Carter, attorney at law, and my whole family. And got a great crew here tonight with my cousin Paul and the Crumbs and the Gilbos are here, so it's a group effort.
Jeff, been a great January, coming off a win in the Pure Stock at Freedom Factory, now backed it up with a win in the Street Stock. So a heck of a 2023 season so far.
And hopefully we can keep it rolling. We go back there next week and try it again. So
congratulations, Jeff Dufresne, your feature winner. Jason Bartram coming home second. Jason, when he jumped and tried the outside, I was like, no, but you know, you were able to reel it back into the second position. And I don't know if we had another restart, I don't think you would have tried that outside again, would you?
No, I still would have. That's the only way to really keep yourself on edge. I was ready, the car wasn't, and I almost lost it off the two. But yeah, I would have done the same thing over.
All right, congratulations. Anybody you want to thank tonight?
Absolutely. For fans, Steve here's the owner of this car, so without you and my sister, I wouldn't be able to race it. Love Tile, Pit Stop Bar and Grill, SRQ Taxes, you know, just everybody that kind of gets behind me on this. And I got to say thanks to Rex for giving us a chance to race these street stocks. You know, there's enough in the state that you know, it could be a competitive class. Really wish we would have could have got more cars, but I want to say my appreciation for Rex for giving us a chance to race these tonight.
All right, congratulations, second place run.
all right, third place we have Tim Brechen. Yeah, you had a little problem with the hood there. We were watching, it was loose, you went into the pits, and you came out without a hood. You said, we're just going to run anyway, then you had a flat tire, a little bumping and grinding. Who you want to thank tonight?
I'd like to thank Jeff, our owner.
We want to go with Vincent. It was short notice this week, and we're glad the 4 cars out here. Hopefully next time we can get a few more cars out here. But thanks for putting on a good show for the fans tonight.
Go to patreon.com/speedwayvideo now.